Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you the Thunkable app making tutorial 2025, a no coding app maker. So guys, you want to build your own mobile app without writing a single line of code. I'll show you how step by step to create your first app, test it, and even get it ready for publishing. All right, so let's head over to our browser. So go ahead and open up your browser and simply log on to thunkable.com. It's different from Thinkable. Log on to thunkable.com. Turn your idea into an app. Thunkable makes app building fast, visual, and accessible through AI. You can try it for free and you can see their pricing. So you can go ahead and check out their pricing in your spare time. And if you scroll a bit more, 10.5 million apps created by 4 million users across 184 countries. Wow. With Thunkable, you can go from idea to idea, from idea to mobile apps. No code required, just unstoppable creativity. Whether you're a seasoned dev, a web whether you're a seasoned dev, a weekend builder, or a motivated visionary, our accelerator plans get you everything you need to launch fast and scale smartly. So they have AI features embedded into this, speed up your prototyping, get to MVP in days, side hustlers, validate your app idea without breaking the bank, all that good stuff. So you can go ahead and click on start building, and you can also get started with AI. But seeing as we're new here, let's just go ahead and click on the sign up option. So go ahead and click on sign up. All right, so it says here, create your own custom app without code, design, develop, and deploy your own native mobile app. Get ready to turn your ideas into apps with Thunkable. There's a sign up with Google, sign up with Apple. I'll just go ahead and click on sign up with email. So I'm going to enter my email and show you what comes next after you've entered any code or captcha. Alright guys, so you're met with how are you planning to use Thunkable? Welcome to Thunkable. To make sure you get the best experience, we're going to ask a few questions. So for work, for teaching or taking a class, teach or learn coding concept with mobile app development, personal use, explore no-code tools, work on a side project. I guess most people are using for personal, but you could make use of it for work, and then simply click on next. So go ahead and click on next, and then which best describes your role. Entrepreneur, wants to build for a new venture. Developer who needs to build apps for clients, enthusiast who wants to build apps for a new venture, designer who wants to turn designs into functional products, professional who wants to create work related or proof of concepts. So let's go with the developer. Or you could just, try enthusiast. All right, so what is your experience with app creation? No experience, somewhat experienced, fairly experienced. I would say somewhat experienced. All right, so click on next. How technical are you? Somewhat technical, yeah, coding basics. And boom, welcome to Thunkable. So it says here, mobile plan made easy with Thunkable Builder, publishing, private projects, expedited support, access, monetization features. We're just gonna go with start for free. All right, guys. So welcome to Thunkable for free. On here, you can create scrollable screens, change screens with a button click, top and bottom tab navigations, and then user authentication. All right. So this is the Thunkable app. So I'm gonna show you a couple of things like to get started. So we're going to click on create new project first. So go ahead and click on the create new project option and then give the project a name, and in the category, what kind of project is it? I guess entertainment. You could start entertainment, but food and drink makes a lot more sense. And then I guess it can be in different niches, all these three, and then give it a name. And then use the drag and drop builder. So drag and drop is suggested to ensure you see the most updated and supported features. So what privacy, everyone can access this public project in the public gallery or private. So let's make it private, but upgrade to Thunkable. All right, so let's just go with this and click on create. All right, so welcome to the Thunkable basically how you can build on Thunkable. Welcome to how you can build, you can design and use blocks. All right, so make sure to go through this welcome tutorial. It's a really good short tutorial, about 53 seconds. And okay, so let's get started with Thunkable. So basically, you have your design, data, assets, cloud variables. We have settings, that's on the left-hand side. And then underneath design, we have components. So it's basically a drag and drop kind of system. So you can go ahead and drag this over to your screen. This is screen one. As you can see here at the top, we have screen one here. So you can just drag this and drop and then align it, so it's at the middle of your screen. And then you can click on the plus to create a new screen as well. But we're still going to be focusing on the first screen. As with the design, you can design your first screen in any manner you want. You can work on the layout. You can work on the background. It's blue. And you can also change the color for your screen. So we're going to be getting into all of this. Let's get started with this. So for screen one, let's go ahead and click on the pencil icon to simply edit the name. You can change it into a different screen, but I'll just keep it on the default. And like I said, you could also move in text inputs. So it says here button. If you were to click on this, you get to edit what it says here. Double click on it to highlight the block. And then you can now edit what it says, like the title or the text here. And then you can change the font. You can go with a different font. Let's select Merriweather. And then you can also make use of text color. You can have it in a different text color, in a different shade. Let's simply change the background. So it's set to blue. We could set it to this color instead. It's a bit too bright. We could make it a bit darker. For navigation, navigate to screen one. If you click it, it sends you over to screen one, but I'm just going to set the navigation to none for now. And then you can go ahead and add blocks from here. But let's work on screen one and the backdrop for screen one. So the color for screen one isn't set, so we can just make it, let's use red. All right, so once you've set it up to your desired color, you can now go ahead and add a new screen. So we can have kind of like a transition. So when you click on add new screen, as you can see here, we have screen one and we have screen two now, which are both available. And then at the top right, we have the accounts section. You can use this option to simply log out of your account or sign in into a different account. Let's say you work with a group or a project, you could use this option as well. And then on your screen, we have the option to change the visibility, make it translucent. That's for Android only. You can change the color. You can change the style. You can also change the orientation. It's set to portrait. You could turn it to landscape. And we have version history, we have web preview and live test, which I'm going to be showing you in a couple of minutes. We also have the publish and download and the share option to share this to other people. If you're working on a project with multiple people, you could simply share it so they can, kind of like work with you. Now, all you need to do here is just go ahead and set up a drag and drop. So head over to blocks. It's at the top right corner of your screen. Click on blocks. And then where we have UI components, for component, just select UI screen 2, or you could select screen 1. So the screen 1 button, go ahead and select screen 1. When you select screen 1, what opens? Drag this and now drop it in screen 1. All right, so once you've selected the action, you can now head over to the button and select what it responds to. Let's use set button 1 text to, okay, let's go with this. Just hold it, drag, and simply add this in. It might not fit for the first time, so you can just put it in the trash and try again until you get something that works. You could go with this option, set button 1 to text. You could set it to background color. You could just mess around with the interface. And then once you're done, just head over to live test on device. You could use your mobile for this, but we're just going to go with the web preview. basically, once you've clicked on the preview, that's the web preview, you can set the preview option to 50% so it fits into your screen, or you could click on preview in new window, which is what I did. And then this is what you're going to get in a new window, basically this. So once you've linked your UI, that's the user interface, you have something like this. Click me and it leads to a button. You could edit this process in the edit options of your design. You could work on this process, but this is basically it. And then once you're done, just go ahead and click on publish and download. And now you can simply publish or download to the Android or iOS. So guys, that's how you can make use of Thunkable. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.